guys, I'm Alan Branch, Carolina Fitness Equipment. I'm here today with Taylor from our Wilmington retail sports and fitness outlet, and we're talking about the Dyna Body single leg curl. Okay, so Taylor, when we're looking for ways to train the posterior, we have to get a little bit more creative. Everybody thinks a lot about squats and lunges, but they don't think about the back. So hamstrings and glutes, important to develop. This is the machine for the hamstring job. Tell us about it.
Yeah, definitely. So the Dyna Body single leg hamstring curl is a full commercial unit. So it's perfect for any gym. Like Alan said, a lot of people think of squats and even deadlifts and things like that when they're working posterior chain and legs, lower body. But it's really important to work those isolation exercises where you're really targeting your hamstrings, especially doing single legs, so you know that you're working each side equally. It's a really good way to train that. So let's take a look at the Dyna Body hamstring curl, and then I'm going to show you guys how to use it as well. So you'll notice here at the top you have two handles, which are awesome because it really helps you stay square against the machine and make sure that you are bracing yourself. You've got a knee pad here, so once you get into the machine, it's going to be against your quads and against your knees so that it's holding you in place. The arm here at the bottom is going to go behind your ankle on whichever leg you're doing the curl on. It's padded as well, so super comfortable. You know, it's going to adjust with people's height and things like that. And then the arm over here to the right is going to be where we load our plates. So that's where you're going to put your plate loaded, or steel plates, bumper plates, whatever it might be, so that you're adding weight to the single leg curl.
Okay, so show us how it looks.
Cool. Making sure that you're keeping your quad and knee up against the pad here, you're just going to curl your foot towards your butt.
So total isolation.
Yep, total isolation. And you'll feel it without even putting any weight on the side. I mean, I can already feel my hamstrings working.
So one thing to think about, it's important to train the hamstrings, because if you think about, the quad extends the leg and then the hamstring controls that and then pulls the foot back. So I think you run into trouble when your quads are producing more force than your hamstring can control. Hey guys, all of this with the Dyna Body single leg curl. If you want to learn more about it, just visit our website, carolinafitnessequipment.com, or visit any of our 5 retail outlets across the Carolinas. We'll see you next time.